Where do I find my Microsoft account and password? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can find our Microsoft account and password. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, we will see how we can find our Microsoft account. So for that, you can check your email account. Look for emails from Microsoft to identify associated email address. So you can use some of the common domains like your outlook.com, hotmail.com or live.com in order to check for the emails from Microsoft, and there you have to check an email. Or if you're already signed into a Windows device with your Microsoft account, there what you have to do is go to the settings. So here open up microsoft.com. So if you're logged in, you have to click on your profile at the top right and go to my Microsoft account. And from here you have to go to your info. And under this section you will have all the information regarding your Microsoft account and you will find your account. And next you can check if your browser have saved your login details. Open up your browser and then you have to go to the passwords or autofill. For that, click on the three dot at the top right. And here you can click on passwords and autofilled. And here you can go to the Google Password Manager. And if you have added your Microsoft account, you can search for Microsoft to locate your saved account from this page. So that was the way to find your Microsoft account. Now if you want to find your Microsoft password, we will see some of these tips, but Microsoft does not show saved password directly for the security reasons. But here's what you can do. For that, you can open up the browser and check for the saved password. So again, same way, you can open a browser, click on the three dot at the top right, and here you can go to your password manager by clicking on password and autofill and go to Google Password Manager. Here, if you have saved your password, search for Microsoft. And if found, view the saved password. There you may need to enter your system password. And if you're not able to find your password right here, then the other option is to reset your password. So for that, open up a new browser and then type in Microsoft's password reset page. Go to the first link right here. Scroll down a bit and then click on reset password. Now you have to follow all these instructions and prompts to reset your password. You can always use your recovery email or phone number to verify your identity, and then you will be able to reset your password. If not, you can go for your Windows Password Manager. So you can close this, and on your desktop you have to press Windows and S key on your keyboard. And here type in Credential Manager and open it up. After that, check under Web Credential for the saved Microsoft account. Here under the Web Credential, here you can save or you can see for your Microsoft account and look for all of the details. But if in case if you're not able to access your Microsoft account or forget to recovery option, you can always visit the Microsoft support for help and use a password manager to restore and retype password securely. So that was the way to find your Microsoft account and password, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.